Hey, how's everyone doing? Today I want to talk about cloning a key. Basically, any key that's clonable. Not all chip keys can be cloned, but a lot of them can. A very big majority of the chip keys. And when I say cloning, that means making an exact duplicate. Basically, I will take the key that's the original, cut it to code, and then I would clone the actual chip that's in the original key. Okay, and I would go about that by doing this simple process. Okay, so I will go transponder clone, and I'm going to read transponder. This essentially is reading the data off the chip, reading the ID number. Okay, the chip ID and the chip type. Okay, and it says clonable. So that means I can clone this. So what I'd do at this point is I would press clone. It'll read the original key. It says place original key in the identified coils, da 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 da. So here we go. We'll do that. It's getting server data. Okay, now it's asking me to put the chip key, which is this is the chip, the super chip. I'm going to put it in the coils, in this coil spot here. Okay, it's detected the chip. Now it's probably getting ready to write the chip. Okay, and it's successfully written to the chip. Okay, if I wanted to write another one, I could just grab another chip. Say a customer wanted 2 cloned keys. I would just go continue write. And there we go. We got 2 chips. We just press complete. Go back. We can verify that information. Go to transponder clone. Read transponder. Okay. 701 was the ID. E701. 4D plus chip. Okay, so we'll read the next one. And we're going to read again. And again. Okay, ID E701. So these chips have the same ID. Okay, now let's read the original key. Or what would be the original key. Okay. And again, E701. So essentially what cloning a key does is it makes it so we can cut a key or duplicate a key, the mechanical part, and then clone the chip key. We would put the chip inside of this case. Okay, and then we'd close up this case. This key would be cut, so your ignition would turn. This super chip would be programmed to the ignition. I wouldn't have to go into the system and program in. It's a simple, easy process, and voila, that would be done. 2 super chip keys in a relatively short amount of time. Anyways, thank you for watching. I hope that clears up what a key clone is. And I'll just go over it again. A key clone is made possible by a super chip that basically lies and says it's a chip from a normal key. It does not work on all chip keys, but most it does. Again, I would read the original, clone it onto a super chip, cut a blank, insert the chip, close the key blank, and the chip in the casing. Done. You have a key that'll turn on your ignition and start the car. All right, again, thank you. Hope you all have a wonderful day. Peace.